Okay, so let me introduce you how to solve this equation. So let's start with number 2a. We do not start with I send you number 2a, right? So how to solve this m plus 2 equals 3. So what we'll do, make it into general form. Whether you are using factorization or using completing the square or formula, you still have to do to make it into general form. So general form is what? Expand the bracket, you get m squared plus 2m, then bring here minus 3 equals 0. So when you have equal to 0, this is what we call general form. Alright, so in order to make it, okay, first this one is just as an example for you to how to we get the bracket, the factorization. Okay, so you have to think a number. In this case, because m squared would be m times m, and negative 3 you should write here, 2m you should write here. What is the number that multiply you get negative 3? It should be 1 and 3. But one of them must be negative. So I'll put negative here. Why? Because of I know that I want this part on the other side is 2m. So when I multiply m times negative 1, so negative m. M times 3m will be 3m. When you add, you get 2m. Alright, so what is inside bracket here is m minus 1, m plus 3. That if there is no negative, means plus. So you should write here m minus 1, m plus 3. Alright, so after that, you take it out, m minus 1, you equal to the 0. So now it becomes a linear equation. M equals 1. So that is one value. The other m plus 3 equals 0. So m equals negative 3. That is the other value. For your info, for the quadratic equation, we have 3 types. One is 2 different roots. Okay. Another is we have 2 equal roots, mean 1 and 1. Or another, we do not have root for that. Okay? So it could be like that. So, do we have to do this like this all the time? No. Okay? Because I want to make it easy for you. Okay, so let's try to do B without using this. Okay? So, we have 3p 11 minus 2p. Oh, okay. I think I should show you without using this kind of factorization. Okay. So after you have this into general form, m squared plus 2m minus 3 equal to 0. Okay. So okay, this is the practical aspect. After you make it into general form, you put 2 bracket equal to 0. Then you write down m equals. Take out your calculator now. Do you know how to use factorization from calculator?
Yes.
Okay, so you just press mode, and then eqn will be 1. And then from unknown, you press the button, then change to degree, then you press 2, okay, then they come up with A. A is the coefficient of m squared, so A will be 1. B will be 2. C will be negative 3. So you still get 1 or negative 3. Then how to put inside bracket? If this is positive, minus 1, just like this one. If this is negative, okay, so Maybe you should try to do B.
Okay.
Okay, you expand the bracket. What did you get?
33p
Okay,
minus 6p square
okay,
minus 15.
okay. Did you press calculator from here? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so what is A?
0.77
No. A, B, C. That you.
or 33.
Oh, no. How do you know A, B, C is not depending on the arrangement here? No.
Oh.
So A will be -6, B will be 33, and C will be -15. Then you put two brackets equal to 0, write down P is 1. So sometimes these are divisible by 3. So sometimes you divide by 3, you get 11P minus 2P squared minus 5 equal to 0. Okay, so even though whatever you kind of arrangement, but still to inform the calculator, A is always the coefficient of the algebra with x square. Okay, so do you get new answer now? A is -2, B is 11, and C is -5. You get, okay, if you get 0.5, you should press Shift A, B, C. Then it change to 1/2, and the other value is 5. So how do you factorize for 1/2? Multiply this first, so you get 2P equals 1. Then move 1, so write down here 2P minus 1. But whole number is Z for P minus 5.